Hello everybody, Rusty Rick here. So I'm making a short little video here of another project I went and picked up. I was supposed to buy it about a month or so ago, and another guy was going to get it before me, and the deal fell through. So went today and got it. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay, so here we go. It's a 23 T-bucket. A lot of work's already been started on it, but I'll show you everything here. Came with a small block Chevy motor here. There's another one in it. It's just a bare block for mock-up. See, a lot of the works has already been done. Got some other parts in the back of the truck here, headers and so on. Got the radiator. Got the headlights, bunch of little odds and ends stuff, air breather, tail lights if I decide to use those. This is the door kit, window, nice wheels and tires. But like I said, it's a T-bucket project. A lot of the hard work's already been done. Ford 9-inch rear end in it. Always wanted to build one of these and found this one, and all the hard work's been done with the frame and everything. It's got a 350 turbo transmission in it. Decide what motor I'm going to do, if I'm going to rebuild one of these or get a different motor for it, but I'm going to take the body and stuff off and get the frame all cleaned up and painted and brakes and all that good stuff done. And here's an inside shot. Said they got a lot of the good bit of the work started, but so yeah, we picked this up today. So another project on the list to build and most likely sell. So you guys can watch along and see how this project comes along with the other ones. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.